How to add money to Cash App. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add money to Cash App. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first step you'll need to take is open up your Cash App. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then what you can do is head over to your bottom right corner to your profile. After you're on your profile, you'll see your cash balance and everything. What you'll need to do is tap on Add Cash. After you do that, you can select how much cash you want to add or tap on the three dots to manually add the amount. After you tap on it, you can now select the amount that you want. So if you want $100, type in 100 and so on. After you type in the amount and then tap on Add, you will now need to add a bank. So you can simply add your bank by giving it the details such as your card number, its expiration date, zip code, its 3-digit CVV, and everything. Then link your card. After you link your card, you will have, added your money to Cash App. The amount that you entered earlier will get added. And that's how easy it is to add money to Cash App. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.